Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are checking out the Promate Juggler Lumiflux wireless high-def speaker. So from the box we have our user manual, charging cord, and this is a Type-C charging cord. And here's our Promate Juggler Lumiflux wireless high-def speakers. So as you can see, we have the red color. It's also available in black and blue colors. This one has this circle right here on top, and this one is, I believe, this how you carry it. So it's firmly attached to the circle right here, of course with the Promate branding right there. This is supposed to be giving us a 360-degree sound. Anywhere you position the speaker, you should be able to hear the richness of the sound. It is like a mesh cloth around our entire speaker. It is textured and it's soft. So on the bottom of our speaker, so that is our on and off toggle switch. There is our USB interface and our card reader on top of it. And that is our DC 5V in. So that is where we charge our speaker right here with the included Type-C cable right here. On the bottom are our built-in controls. So that is the top of the speaker. This is the bottom right here. So that is volume down, volume up, play button. So the button labeled M right there is the multi-function button. The multi-function button keeps us in check on which mode we are for the speaker, because you can connect two of these together to form a more definitive stereo sound. This M button right here, or the multi-function button, is what you use to connect the two of them, and also to keep in check that we are in Bluetooth mode or in pairing mode. This button right here is the on and off button for our LED light, which is supposed to be here on top. The circle right here colored in black is a soft padding, and if you are putting this on a flat table, that will serve as a stopper so our speaker doesn't slide everywhere. So those are the controls right here on the bottom and our interface at the back. So now all you need to do is turn the speaker on by toggling this switch. So let us now turn on our juggler for the first time.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
When you turn on the speaker, you hear a voice that tells you that it is on and which mode it is on. And of course, there's our LED light right there. And now all you need to do is pair this with a Bluetooth enabled device such as your smartphone. Of course, you can also use and utilize SD cards and USB sticks, which you can connect directly on the back right here. If you use these interfaces, the speaker overrides the Bluetooth mode and it should start playing with one of these interfaces right here if you connect a media to it. If you do not like any LED lights, you can turn it off using this button right here, the one with the lights icon. So if you click on that, our LED stops and it turns off. I would like to leave that on, so push that again to turn on our LED lights. Promate Juggler right here comes with Bluetooth 5.1. Input rating is 5 volts. Speaker output is 5 watts Frequency range 45 Hz to 18 kHz. Impedance 4 ohms. It reaches up to 85 decibels. Operating distance if you are using Bluetooth mode is 10 meters. Charging time is 2 hours, and after you have fully charged our speaker right here, you will be able to use it for 4 hours straight. Because it comes with a 1200 milliamp per hour rechargeable battery. You can use SD card and USB sticks on this speaker, but remember that it is capped at 64 gigabytes only. So now let us try and pair our speaker via Bluetooth. This is what you should hear.
Device paired.
So now our juggler is paired, so we can now test how this speaker sounds. So maybe you can use some earphones or headphones to appreciate it more. So here we go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
So this is what you'll hear when you disconnect our juggler from pairing.
Device disconnected.
So there you go. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our quick unboxing and review of the Promate Juggler Lumiflux wireless high-def speakers. If you had one more of these, we can show you the pairing mode for using two of them at once. We will try and get that video for you next time. But for this time, at least you have heard what this one is capable of. That sound does not really sound like it was coming from this small speaker right here. The highs were okay, the mids were okay. There was also some bass in there because of our bass reflex on top right here. So overall, the sound signature of this Promate speaker right here is okay. So to manage expectations, this sounds okay enough for a small room or maybe on your desktop while you're using your PC. What this will not do is what those bigger wireless speakers from JBL are doing. This is not on par with those. Maybe the small ones from JBL. Yes, we can compare this Promate one to those. The sound is okay. It really does sound great coming from a compact speaker, and this would be a great budget option wireless speaker. You will get your money's worth. If you have any questions and inquiries, please put them all down below. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all. You'll get notified when we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect.
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.
Bye.